I also installed in the core system. Here. And this is Ptyxis. I don't know if I... so. And also GNOME console is available as terminal, but Ptyxis is good in this case that you have here listed in the menus all your DistroBox containers. So you can just directly click here in the menu and start a new tab with your DistroBox. This is what is nice about Ptyxis. It's easy to work with different DistroBoxes. It would also list here the Debian and Alpine when I haven't deinstalled them. And you can also get an overview of your tabs as well. So just to show you, this is a special terminal which is optimized to working with containers. Also, you can create a new terminal. Okay, this is just a tabulator button here. And also you can do preferences, and you can also create profiles here. Add a profile, for example, edit, name it, for example, Tumbleweed Box, and then you can set some stuff, and here you can change to the Tumbleweed DistroBox, for example. So, and in this way you can, for example, use the Tumbleweed box and give the whole terminal a different look and a different, for example, you set here, I don't know, Capuchin Latte as color palette, and now you have the Tumbleweed box as a profile as well. So, and I think, yeah, now you see we have here listed the containers, and we have here listed the profiles. And if I click Tumbleweed box profile, you see now we get a white terminal in this case. And if we switch the tab, it's also switching the profile. And so you have also more visible, okay, now I'm in the box, and now I'm on the host system back. And this way you can do the changes. And also the colors are different, a bit different here. But I also use the host name is also very remarkable. So let's close this, and now we are here. Box as you see, this is our distro box. And I think, yeah, distro box, enter. And now let's go in, and I think we could also do sudo super in, let's do Chromium. In this case, we can also install Chromium in the distro box, for example, but I don't want this. This is way too much for my needs. Let's do install food. Food terminal needs not that much. I just want a graphical program. Can we do GNOME text editor? Also possible. Just to show you, we installed a few graphical programs within the distro box, but we don't have them in the menu on the host system. And normally there should be, yeah, distro box export -- help. And now let's check app GNOME DistroBox. But I don't know, can we app GNOME text editor? And yeah, now you see utilities, and the text editor is now available. Graphical program installed in the distro box. GNOME text editor. Okay, and so this is the way, pin to task manager. Now we have GNOME text editor from the Tumbleweed box. And now let's food.